Field fallow. In this method, the land is left uncultivated for one or more seasons. The microorganisms in the soil, such as bacteria, decompose the dead and decaying organic matter and add humus to the soil. It is mainly the manual method to recover the salt nutrient to improve the soil fertility. The next one is crop rotation. So what is crop rotation? Different crop need different quantities of nutrient for their proper growth. When a single crop is grown on a piece of land for year after year, the nutrient in the soil get used up and over time the yield reduce. To prevent this, different crop are grown onto the same field. This type of practices, the practice of growing different crop alternatively on the same piece of the land, is called crop rotation. For example, legumes are grown between the cereal crop. Cereal crops such as rice and wheat used up in a lot nutrient and especially nitrogen, thereby reducing the quality of the soil. As discussed, to improve the fertility of the soil, nutrient can be added to the soil by adding manures or fertilizer. So what is the manure? Manure are the natural substances obtained by the decomposition of the vegetable and animal waste. So what is the manure? Manure are the natural substances obtained by decomposition of vegetable and animal waste by the action of microorganisms. Some common user manures are farmyard manure, preparing using cow dung, waste straw and other dairy product. Compost, mostly prepared from plant waste but also induce animal dung. Vermicompost, prepared from both plant and animal waste, where earthworms are used for decomposing the material quickly. Next is fertilizer. What is fertilizer? Fertilizer are chemical substances commercially produced in factories. They add specific nutrient to the soil to replace the lost mineral. NPK fertilizer rich in nitrogen. So NPK fertilizer which is rich in nitrogen, phosphate, potassium and urea are commonly used as a fertilizer. So let's see what is the difference between manure and fertilizer and their advantages. Advantages of manures is, first point, manures add nutrient and improve soil fertility, increase water holding capacity, make soil porous, improve aeration, add humus, increase decomposers in the soil, do not cause pollution. Second, fertilizer. Advantage of fertilizer is add specific nutrient according to the need of the soil and the crop, requiring is very small quantities, really absorbed by the plant as they are water soluble, easy to store, transport and add to the soil. Let's see the disadvantages of manures. Manures can remove the general deficiency of nutrient in the soil but cannot add specific nutrients. So manures can remove the general deficiency of nutrient in the soil but cannot add specific nutrient that fertilizer can. Not easy to store, transport, add into the soil, absorbed slowly by the plant and they are not water soluble. Disadvantages of fertilizer is do not add humus, can change the soil structure, do not bind well with the soil, get washed away during the irrigation or rainfall and reach lake pond, thereby pollute them and making them unfit for the human consumption.